This tutorial I will going to show on how to modify CV and remove object. So let's get started. Firstly, open your Photoshop, then open your CV. This CV I will going to modify and remove object and remove watermark. Select your layer, then press Ctrl J for layer copy. Now select quick selection tool and select your object area. Go to select, then modify, then expand. Expand by 2 pixels. After selection area, then press Ctrl J for created new layer in the selection area. Selected this layer and use curve. Click on clipping mask. After perfectly matched color, then hold Ctrl key and select this 2 layer. Now press Ctrl E for layer merge. Now hold Ctrl key and click on your layer for selection. Now hold Alt key and decreases your selection. Now use brightness contrast. When it is perfect, then close it. Ctrl E for layer merge. Now select your top of the layer and press Ctrl Alt Shift E for apply current image. Selected this layer and select clone stamp tool. Uncheck aligned, and make sure to opacity and flow 100%. Select soft brush tool and hold Alt key and click to select any sampled area as your desire. And drag on your area which area you want. If you want to clone your straight line, so firstly hold Alt key and just 1 click for select your area. And now hold Shift key and drag your straight line. Same process. Just hold Alt key and 1 click to select your area and drag on your background for paste your selection area. Remove this shadow. Select your area by quick selection tool and use brightness contrast. Same process for others. For modify this letter, select brush tool and select black color and use on your letter. Now again select clone stamp tool. And use this tool for remove your other objects and watermark. Here is I given all instruction and keyboard command. And use zoom in working area. It will be very helpful and best understandable for you. Here is letter mistake. So we can write in this section. Press T for select type tool. And select your font. Then write. Firstly, click on Other Layer and again click on this layer for transform. Press Ctrl T for transform. Now select your subject layer and select Clone Stamp tool for remove this letters. Again, same process for others. This time you can save this image. I hope you must like this tutorial. Please like, comment and share this video. And subscribe for more update videos. Thank you so much for stay with me.